Hello everyone, welcome to Access for Free. In today's video, we're going to learn how to add a button to a form in Microsoft Access. Buttons are used to perform actions quickly. For example, you can create buttons to add a new record, open another form, run a query, print a report, or close the form, and many more. Let's see how to add one. First, open your contact form. Switch the form to Design View. Now go to the Form Design tab. In the Controls section, click the Button control. Once selected, click on the form where you want the button to appear. As soon as you place it, the Command Button wizard will open. The wizard helps you create buttons for common actions without writing any code. On the first screen, you'll see several categories such as record operations, form operations, report operations, and more. For this example, select Record Operations. On the right side, choose Add New Record. Then click Next. Now Access asks how you want the button to appear. You can choose Text, which displays a label on the button, or Picture, which displays an icon. If you choose Picture, you can select from Microsoft Access's built-in button images. You can also add your own custom image if you want to use a specific icon. For this example, select Text and type Add New Contact. Click Next. Now give the button a name. This name is used internally by Access. You can keep the default name or type something like Add Contact Button. Click Finish. The button will now appear on your form. Resize or reposition it if needed to fit your form layout. Now save the form and switch to Form View. Click the Add New Contact button. You'll see that Access immediately creates a new blank record, allowing you to enter a new contact. That's how you add a button to a form in Microsoft Access using the Command Button wizard. Buttons make forms much easier to use because they allow users to perform actions with a single click. In future videos, we'll explore more button actions and other form controls to make your database more interactive. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.